Good afternoon, everyone. Hello, hello. How is everyone doing? I hope you're all doing good. Hello, Samu, Kazuha, welcome to the stream, guys. Welcome, welcome. Kamusta, kamusta? Mama, hello, hello, nak. How are you? Kamusta? Are you in school right now? Let's see. Thank you for like a live, Samu. Thank you so much. I'm doing work. Ooh, good luck, good luck. Ingat dyan. And sana maayos yung everything goes well. Hello, Kazuha. Is that your actual account na? Or is that your I still have no sleep? That's not surprising at all. Oh, you got your original account back. Ay, wait, never mind. Ma-review pala. Ay, ano ba talaga? Either way, good luck pa rin. Nice one, nice one. At least you got it back. Also, guys, kain pala. I'm eating lunch right now. But not my email, Saj and DC. I mean, at least you still got your TikTok back. Hi, ma. Hello, Val. Baka welcome. How is everyone doing? Kamusta, kamusta? Ahem. Wait, I'm just eating lunch right now. Walang pasok sa work ang accountant. Sana ako may pasok mamaya eh. Ay, Diyos ko. Umulan, uminit, may pasok pa rin. Lord. Mhm. Ako na walang pasok 3 days straight pero di makabalo. Ayun lang. um, wait, what's more better? Ako wala lang tulog. Kaso wala nang nagbago dun. Palagi ka naman walang tulog. Um, Already defeated the Eye of Cthulhu. I forgot what I did last time. I think I did yung ano. I got the whole platinum armor. Menacing? What's better? I not. Let's switch that up. Like, as in walang tulog, not even a wink of nap. Bakit nga ba? Yung Infinity niya po ba gumagana? Hindi siya gumagana. Sorry. Although yung chat ko, ewan ko ba ba't hindi pa nagko-connect sa TikTok. Magwawala na ako dito. Diyos ko. Hello, Shai. So, Kadushima. Welcome. Hindi na malabas yung chat. Yung chat, it takes a while, but usually nalabas na dapat yan. It should be showing up now. Um, what is project proposal? Huwag mo akong tanungin kasi hindi ako nag-college. Wag ako yung tanungin mo dyan. Hello, Kazumi. Welcome to the stream. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Wait. Let me just try to fix yung Caster Labs ko. Send by the road. No umbrella. Road alongside. Is this much better? At least try to connect. Diyos ko. Kala ko yung OGT niya doon na kayo 4th year. No, hindi ako nag-college. I just took, test the courses. Should I show my Tickfinity muna? Or my Tickfinity chat? Yung Tickfinity chat nga muna. Para hindi naman ako makasakit sa dito. Ah, my gosh, tumatawa na naman ako ng allergies. After ko kumain, iinom ako ng ano, cetirizine. Ngayon, should I go take out the ano, Eater of Worlds? Yeah, I feel like I should para makapag-spawn ako ng Goblin Army. Ayan na, nag-connect na yung ano. Can someone try chatting real quick? Tingnan ko kung nakakonect na talaga yung ano. Yung Caster Labs ko sa stream. Hello, Jaja. Welcome to the stream. Hindi naman nagpapakita. Wait lang. All I wanna do is make love to you. Hello, Val. Um, properties. Why is it not showing up? Connected na siya, but it's not showing up. Why? You know what? Chatbox na lang. Oo, nagte-terraria ulit siya. I started nung isang araw. Dati yung Undertale ba para lang yan sa PC? I am not sure. I mean, I know Undertale, pero I'm not like deep into the fandom to know na PC lang ba siya or na. You can check naman sa ano eh, sa kay Mr. Google. Hello, Billion. Welcome to the stream. Welcome. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, guys. Kamusta kayo? Kamusta? Thank you. Welcome to the stream as well. Welcome. Happy streaming play well. Thank you so much. Agay. Hirap paglaro na to ng mga ano. I mean, I play with both hands, but like, yung position kasi ng left hand ko is naka-lift up siya since yung pagkain ko is nasa left side ko. Nasa site na ako ngayon. Tinatamad umuwi. Dito na lang ako titira. Ikaw tinatamad ka umuwi. Ako naman tinatamad akong ano, pumasok mamaya. Putang ina, wala din pala dito. Kaya ng ano, ang lamig pa ngayon. Nakakatamad talaga pumasok. Ay, gaga. Gaga po, text ka. Aircon kasi, super init sa labas. Mainit ba? Ang lamig dito sa amin. Shoot ah. Oh! Nice. Now I just need the whole armor set. Which brings me, hindi ko pa wala na-explore yung ano. Yung mismong dungeon. Let's do this. Not to forget to bring pa yung letter po text later. No worries, I will. Katawa sa ulan, tapos sirik awa, tapos sakit sa ulo. Wala dito, makadilim pa rin eh. Baby, I'm so into you. Also guys, kain na. Hello, Asmed. Welcome to the stream. Good afternoon. How are you? How's your afternoon? I hope you're doing good. Um, Kapag yumaman talaga ako, ipapakover ko buong mundo tapos aircon. Agay ka, di parang sinira mo na din yung mundo. Thank you for the heart me and the rose, Asmi. Thank you so much. And thank you for sharing a live as well. Very much appreciated. Um, and Moon, welcome to the stream. Welcome. Time and time and time again. I just noticed I haven't made any hammers. Like, not even a wooden hammer. That is Violent Band of... What was that? Band of Star Power. You know what? I'll just finish up this, my lunch, then I'll be fighting the Eater of Worlds. Hello, Jobelin. Welcome to the stream. Welcome. And Ryer, welcome to the stream as well. Welcome. Kaya ba daw pumasok mamaya? Visit. Happy streaming. Thank you, Asme. Thank you so much. Very much appreciated. Wait lang. What's wrong with my multi-chat ba ngayon? Why is it not showing up? Wait lang guys. Talagyan ko lang yung yung food ko sa, yung plato ko sa kusina. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. I can lock in na. Let's go back home muna para mag-ready. Be breathless, that one. Go on. Leave me breathless. Go on. Go on. Um, Iron skin. Let's see what I need to make pa. Uh, Regen potion. I need to get the farm ready naman. Para sa mga potions. Kasi I think that's the only thing that I can get right now. I don't need an archery potion. Hindi naman ako, archer. When I kiss the teacher, one of these days. Where are the acorns? Ayan. Let me just plant some trees then real quick. What a great a chance. And I kiss the teacher. Happy streaming, mabalik-aral na naman ako. Ghost lang. Good luck, good luck. Kaya mo yan. You can do it, Nak. Believe thyself. Um, one of these days, I cannot face the lesson alright. Okay, time to set up an arena. Then he just smiled. I've seen the seventh heaven when I kissed the teacher. I don't think I need that much of a space, to be honest. I think this will be alright as it is. So na naman ang problem natin, yung mga Eater of Souls eh. Then, a campfire. Hello Rami, Wakadershima, welcome. Good afternoon, good afternoon. I think that will be alright now. Zed, remember me? Um, Depends. What's your first name? It's Baymon. Baymon, hello. How are you? How have you been? Yes, I do remember you. I don't. I was like, I don't recall your name, but yeah. Hello, Zaimon. Wakadershima. Welcome. Hello, Andre. Wakadershima. Welcome. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, guys. How is everyone doing? I hope you're all doing good. Kamusta? How have you been? Hi po, newbie here. Hello, hello. Welcome to the stream. I hope you enjoy your time here kahit medyo unpredictable ako. So currently I'm just playing Terraria. I'm just a quick short stream lang since I'll be going to work na later. Thank you for the follow, Andre. Thank you. Medyo busy ako kaya hindi ako nag-join sa lives mo. It's okay, no worries. It's alright. Ahem. Chan, Makadoshi, welcome. Good afternoon. How are you? How have you been? I hope you're doing good. Anong class? What class? I'm going for what do you call that? Yo-yo, which is a subclass of melee. Mama, 17 na ako. Nice, nice. Wait lang, wait lang. Ah, wait, Shibal. Di ko makita. Putang ina, natrap pa ako dito. This is not supposed to be my arena, visit. Tang ina. Ayun. Ah. Ah. Hindi nga pala infinite yung ano na to. Ah, hala, nagbura. Diyos ko. Normal na dito yun. Ah, shit! You know what? Pagano na lang ako. I'll spawn it using the... What do you call that? The rotten worm. Tang ina, stuck ako dun sa baba. Forever. I know I do have a lot of vile, not the vile mushrooms thingamajig. Question is, where did I put it? The rotten chunk is here. Do we actually not have any? Oh my gosh, I don't. It's actually harder to fight either in the worlds on the surface. I know, but it's not. I'm also gonna have a hard time if I'm gonna fight in a tight space such as this. Saka mag-buff ka din pagkain ka na. I know how to play the game. The thing is, I don't want to prepare that much. Lalo na wala pa akong masyadong potions. It is what it is. I need vile mushrooms. Expert mode yan. Yep. What the fuck? Okay, I only need yung ano na lang. Yung pants. Should I farm it? Pwede naman. Ah. I have nothing at all. I have nothing at all. Okay, I got my gold back. Ah. Pa 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 ta 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 ta. Sana masortehan ako at makuha ko yung ano, yung leggings. Kasi yun na lang kulang ko. Ang ina, to din ayaw ko dun sa yung sa Shield of Cthulhu, nagdo-double dash ako ng biglaan. Ay, nalagyan ko na nga ng torches na. I made my life a boy. Let it on to more and more. So far, wala pa ako nakikita skeleton merchant. Which is unfortunate kasi kailangan ko yung ano, yung counterweight sa kanya. Or kahit yung ano, traveling merchant man na mo ibenta sa akin. Hindi yan yung habol ko. Sana all hinahabol. May pinapahiwatig ka ba? Do you feel me? Ew, that's like me. Wala, aha. Sko, yung ano na lang. Yung leggings na lang. Okay na ba yung mushrooms na nakuha ko? Hello, Val. Welcome back. And Fall, welcome to stream as well. Waiting for you. I've been waiting for you. Na 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 na. Burger. Ayan, yan na yung food na kailangan natin bukas. Ahem. 100. Burger. Asan yun? Asan yung banner? Ah, ito. Okay. Nagka-shackle na ako kung kailan hindi ko na kailangan ng shackle. Ang galing. Angel's Burger, Omsim. Kain tayo champorado. Gusto ko ng champorado. Although kaka-champorado ko lang kahapon, still, gusto ko pa rin ng champorado. Champorado with rice. Champorado squared. Dami pa dito, sayang naman. O, padala mo sa akin, bilis. Charot. Kung pwede lang eh. Tingnan mo kung kailan hindi kita natin kung kailangan na natin i-farm yung ano, yung leggings na hindi magpapakita yan. Hello Dante, welcome to the stream. And Mix, welcome to the stream. Welcome. Good afternoon. How are you? How's your afternoon? I hope you're doing good. Kung snow. Huh? Kahoy ka lang galing school. Nice to, nice to. How are you naman? I think pwede ka tawin pagpalit muna. Mamaya sa fight. Either way, menacing naman parehas. I forgot yung ano, drop rate ng ano, nung sa Ancient Cobalt, ano, armor. Shadow skill pala. Saan nga ba yung Cobalt? Yung sa ano, yung sa jungle. Hello na ako sa regime. Ito pagod ha, medyo stress sa gastusin, pero gusto naman yung sked. Nice. Yung gastos naman talaga yung problem sa ano yun. Sa college. Hindi na pala ako nakapag-sharpening station kanina. I forgot. Ang baba ng chance ng ancient armors. True, pero since nakuha ko na yung dalawa, edi might as well take the chance, diba? Although may silver, ay sorry, platinum armor naman na ako. So since I'm waiting for it to be day, okay na din. Tapos bigla na gano'n, no? Nag-goblin army bigla. Gagawa pa pala ako ng ano, elevator dito. Diyos ko. Oh, madami materials yung fine arts. Tapos may reporting ulit. Ako po, good luck. Ang dami nyo dyan, ba't ayaw nyo lumabas? Ayun, bile mushroom. Elevator na puro tubig. Ha? Huh? Ay, gaga! Ah. Eh, tagal na akong hindi nakanood ng stream mo. Hindi naman din ako masyado naging active sa stream recently eh. So you're not missing out a lot. Okay, daytime na. Wala pa rin, ano? Kukulang na ako ng bahay. Pero may time na online ka, pero nasa school ako or minsan tulog. Ano na Nina Kun, Makadushima, welcome. Hello Oswald, Makadushima as well. $158 Eater of the Souls na yan. Should I go for the, ano na? Boss fight or hintayin ko pa yung ano? Yung leggings. Nang baka sakaling dumating. By the way, may kapangalan ka sa school namin like yung first name lang. Paano kapangalan? Like yung Zedlin? Ganon, Zed? Tapos Z pa yung tawag nila. Hello Marla, Bakadushima, welcome. Note, balik na tayo. Let's try to set up na burger. Tapos naalala ko na working ka na pala. Kaya napaisip nga din ako, sabi ko, nag-ano ba ako? Sabi ko, ako pala, working na ako. That's not me. Tak, 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 on the clock. Door pala, shoota. Diba napaisip din ako sa sarili ko? Bottle. Kinabahan nga ako eh. Ako din, medyo kinabahan din ako. Sabi ko, huh? Girl. Wait, alam mo ba yung ano ko? Yung first name ko? Cry, 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 should the lonely heart thinking. Ay, mali. Oh, sinabi mo yung stream mo ng birthday. Like, actual full name ko? Asa yung bottle? Ayun. Ayun pala. tanda ko na sinabi ko nun is yung ano, yung fictional name ko. Which is yung Zedlim Batumbakal Chuchuchu, which is napakahaba. Cry, cry, cry with the lonely heart again. If there's nothing listening her life, and why do these tears come? Yeah, 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 I. Ngayon, nasan nga ba yung headpiece? Ayun. Lagay ko na lang dito sa piggy bank. Isn't she lovely, this Hollywood girl? Is this so lucky? But why does she cry? Takot pa naman ako makipag-meet sa ibang streamers IRL. Like IRL. Okay, okay. Expert or master? This is expert mode. So lucky. It's a star. So cry, cry, cry. With the lonely heart thinking. Ah, what the fuck? Ah, Angry Dandelion. Okay. Hello, Christopher Bakalurshima. Welcome. With the lonely heart thinking. Tsaka I don't think we're in the same naman eh. We're in the same like province or area. Ano, mix. Kahit nga si Suji gusto makipag-meet up kapag may convention. Wait, let's make yung worm food. Heart of the proud of Janelle. What you do? Life is purposeless without you here. Not a gossip. Yeah, malayo ako sa inyo. Diba? Ang ina yung spit yung ano eh. Yung malala yung damage eh. Ay, shit! Putang ina yung spit yung problema ko. Yeah, I think I'm gonna farm yung ano muna. Yung Shadow Chemelatic. One of that in your head. You got the slippers. Hello, Adi Bakurishima. Welcome. Ah, hindi ba ako nakapag-buff nun? I thought I clicked B. Kaya pala, okay. Made myself up in the same chick you fell in love with. I keep it tight with my figure right. Hello JJ, Bakurishima. Hello, hello. Kamusta? How are you? All I wanna do is cater to you, boy. Let me cater to you, cause baby, this is your day. Just do anything for my man, to make you blow me away. There's that your slippers, your dinner, your dessert, and so much more. Nag-sculpture kami kanina gamit clay. Oh, how was it naman? All I wanted a man, having the knife in your hands, and not your slippers, your dinner, your dessert, and so much more. Masaya. Nice. Ano yung sculpture mo nun? That's the least I can do. Let me cater to you, 'cause the good, the bad, the ups and the downs, I'm still here before you. Let me cater to you, 'cause you're beautiful. I love the way you are. Fulfill your every desire. Your wish is my command. I wanna cater to my man, your heart. Feel pure, your love shines through. Darkness will get through. Feel me is true. Wanna cater to my man. To my man. Hello, Vince. How are you? Welcome. Thank you for liking the live. Thank you so much. How are you? How's your afternoon? Hope you're doing good. Avenue. Yeah, care what the mama say. That is sad. No. Oh. Um. Bro, kite. Hello, Pizza Pay. Wakarushi. Welcome. I will try to get out some wood as well while I'm here. You're so sincere. How could I love you? Okay, so here's the oasis. Baka next. Ah, shit. Ano to? Bale first time na ginawa namin is idol, second year kanina lang ginawa. Wala pa ako reference kaya ginamit ko yung kaklase ko. Baka next no storm at I don't know. Ooh, nice, nice, nice. Well, hopefully everything goes well sa next time nyo. Open up, hoping you see what your love means to me. Open up. And without you, never. Excuse me. Okay, dungeon. I think ito yung first time ko makakita ng ano, yung bagong dungeon. And so far, I think it looks cool as fuck. Hello, Shizuya. Wakarushima. Welcome. Oh, I come to you. This is Minecraft or Mandaluyong? Mandaluyong po, charot. This is Terraria. Huh. Explore ko muna yung ditong part before ko tignan yung loob. Hello, Colleen. Wakarushima. Welcome. Cute na multo avatar ko yan. Ah, si ano? Si Abigail. Sana to eh. Sa Don't Starve to eh. Hello, Aris Flame. Wakarushima. Welcome. Hoy, gising. Visit. Okay, let's see if there's a water candle here. Pwede ko nga ito. Oh! Water candle. Nahihilo na ako. Hoy! Nangyari sa'yo? Ayun. So, wala akong makukuhang... Ay, shit! 1 gold na pala yung dala ko. Okay na yan. Init lamig. Nasa, nga pala, sa school ko right now. Magano ka na lang sa lamig ka na lang. If that's the case. I should place another chest, no? Saan ko nalagay isang chest? Ayun. Medium. Major. Naka-AC sa school tapos labas mainit. Ba't ang init sa inyo? Sa amin ang lamig, putix. Hindi naman sobrang lamig, pero like, naulan kasi dito. Hello, Noxarian. Good afternoon. How are you? How's your afternoon? I hope you're doing good. Jungle Frozen. Ayun, perfect file powder pala. Ring my bell. At Blood Moon pa nga. Hello, hello, hello. How are you? Kamusta, kamusta? Hope you're doing good. Okay, punta ako doon sa, ano, sa pangalan nun. Doon sa may corruption. Oh. Thank you for liking the live, Noxarian. Thank you so much. Ayun. Okay, takbo sa corruption. Ipa-farm natin yung ano, yung leggings. Wala ka pa naman school right now, di ba, Noxarian? Correct? Ayan. Hello, Mary Jules. Welcome. Welcome. Burger. Hopefully I can get yung monitor or true. Ayun. Yan, dapat marami kayo. Tayo kasi walang ano eh. Walang, what you call that? Water candle na malapit sa surface. Alam mo na kapag init sa inyo, malamig sa amin. Alternate tayo ng weather sa bagay. Kali, good morning tuloy. Good afternoon, how are you? How are you? Kamusta, kamusta? How was your sleep? Monster meat? What? Good afty, how are you? Bumabawi ako ng tulog. I mean, same din, somewhat. Ang ano lang is ano, para madali ako magising, sa PC ako natutulog. I haven't slept in my bed since Saturday. I know, since last na sleep ko sa bed ko is Friday. 7 hours of sleep. Nice, nice. So I'm guessing you're not streaming today? Saan? Sa PC ko. basically on my PC share, tas sa ano, nakahiga pa rin ako, pero like, I have a, what you call that? A footrest sa baba ng ano, PC ko. Tas doon yung ano, pa ako. Kaya ako matulog recently. Para madali ako magising. Check. So, what can I pretend that I don't know? Di ko get, sorry. Basically, may kasama, no, hindi kama, footrest. Yung may lagayan sa loob. Yung nabubuksan mo siya, para siyang box. Kasi Abigail pala yung inaanak ko dun. Hindi ko ma-imagine. Wait, I'll try to send a picture later. O sige, as long as you have enough rest. Enough rest is an understatement, pero I'm resting naman. Thank you for the heart, Mikali. Thank you so much. We'll stand together this one time. No one will get... I just said di ako nagbibigay ng heart me. It's okay, no worries. Hindi nga din ako nakapagbigay masyado recently. So it's alright. You're good. Diba kung kailangan ko ng ano? Isa-isa na lang yung kailangan kong sa armor set. Ngayon pa hindi binibigay sa akin. Typical Terraria luck. Scale mail? Scale mail ang binigay, hindi leggings. I need the leggings. Ginagawa mo siya sa corruption. Nagpa-farm ng ano, nung shadow scale armor. Kasi meron na ako ng leggings pati nung, sorry. Ng helmet pati nung, ano, nung chest piece. Second chest piece ko na yan. Kailangan ko na lang ng leggings. Kaya mo 300 Eaters of Soul na yung na, ano ko. Sakto, Blood Moon. Tatry ko din kumuha ng Blood Crow. Or Toro. Oh, hello Hunter. Welcome. Enough to share. There's nothing be away. Living like this human race. Ang dami pala tao dito. One day, wala akong makuha ang ano eh, water candle. Gusto ko sana makakuha eh, wala eh. Napatay ako ng guardian eh. Walang malapit sa surface. Dalawa pa talaga yun, Devourer. Ang galing. Hello, Ara. Bakit ako? Come. Basta... Ayun. What? Helmet naman nakuha. Ba't yung leggings na lang kailangan ko? Bigay nyo na sa akin. Paubayan nyo na sa akin, please. Yun na lang kailangan ko. Hello, Luneka. Welcome. How are you? How's your afternoon? I hope you're doing good. That's like the second time na nakuha ko yung scale mail pati yung ano, yung helmet. Pag ako hindi ko pa nakuha yung legis sabi ko talaga magwawala ako. I'm doing good, Rit. How about you? I'm doing good as well. Kaya tamad pumasok later pero kailangan kasi need pumaldo. Diyos ko, queuing pa naman kami kahapon, nakakainis. Ayaw ka bigyan ng leggings, kaya nga eh. Leggings na lang kailangan ko eh. Yung 350th ano ko na, Eater of the Souls na. At Goblin Army pa nga ni. Hindi, okay na yan. At least we'll get the Goblin Tinkerer. Queuing kahapon nangyari. Monday. Pero ewan ko ba ba't ang lala ng queuing kahapon compared sa ibang Mondays. Diyos ko. I think I got 62 calls kahapon. 62, 64. Hello, Alalik. Welcome to the stream. Sige, away muna ako. 62. Yep. Which is like, that's my most na. Kasi dati kong most is 60 eh. Ay shit, meron pala dito. It's got to love you. Itong archers yung problema ko eh. Find me somebody to love. And cry. I said that I used to believe in you. I just got to believe, Lord, somebody. Oh, somebody. Anybody find me somebody to love. Ay, ang dami nyo. Diyos ko Lord. Hello, Kifting. Quitting. Makadershim ako akam. Yan yung kina-consider ko ngayon sa work. Shoutout. Lumalayo na ako sa bahay. Clumsy! No! I have to believe in... Yeah. Parang tagal naman ng Goblin Army. Ah, he's alright, he's alright. I sweat it out of this prison cell. Someday I'm gonna be free, love. There we go. Ah, putang ina mo! Nabari. Nada pa ako dun. Oy! My fucking money! Bring it back, bitch! Wala na yung mga thieves na yun, putex. Kinuha yung pera ko. Visit! 16 gold na yun kanina eh. Wala na ako ng 6 na gold. Kainis. Ooh, love. Find me somebody to love. Okay, back to the corruption. To love. Ano oras na ba? 4:30. I have time pa naman. To love. Find me somebody to love. Please, sana bigyan niyo na ako ng ano, ng leggings. Yun na lang kailangan ko. Pantalon lang talaga. Please, paibayan niyo na sa akin to. Kung makuha ko yung leggings, i-defeat ko na yung ano. Try ko i-defeat yung ano, Ether Worlds. 3 times the charm, diba? Pam, pa, pam, pam. Ooh, you can dance, you can jive, having the time of your life. Ooh, see that girl. Vanilla or Calamity? Just vanilla. Vanilla expert. Anong boss? Ether of Worlds. I don't think I have defeated King Slime yet. Tinintay ko lang what you call that? Slime Rain. So ano ulit yan dito sa Corruption. Kaz, thank you for the follow. Thank you so much. Very much appreciated. Welcome to the stream. Welcome. I hope you're doing good today. Could be that guy. Not a song and the music's are. Yan yung mahaba. Yep. I forgot. Yep, yung worm. Yung yung mahabang worm. At kung kailang fina-farm ko yung mga Aether Worlds, doon sila hindi papakita. Pero nung start na nag-explore ako, ang dami nila. Wala kayo plays ako Dushima ko. Welcome. Feel the beat from the tambourine. Oh yeah. You can jive, having the time of your life. See that girl, watch that scene, digging the dancing queen. Please, I swear to God, kung nakakuha pa ako ng isang scale mail or ano, or helmet, magwawala talaga ako. Akyat ka dito. Pwede lang madrop sa nila eh, di okay sana. Get the chance. You are the dancing queen, young and sweet, only 17. Ah, nice. Hello, Akan the Fish. Welcome to Shima. Welcome. Having the time of your life. Ooh, see that girl. Watch that scene. Digging the dancing queen. Oh, oh. Antok pa ako. Ay, Kali, naorat pala ako sa lunchtime ko, visit. 9:30, 8 o'clock yung pasok ko, tapos 9:30 to 10:30 yung lunch ko, visit. Mas gugustuhin ko pa mag-calls ng ng 8 to 11 bago ako mag-lunch kaysa sa ganun, Diyos ko. Para tuloy ang bagal ng oras. Pangit, kaya nga. Napapangitan na nga ako nung sa original content o'clock, mas may papangit pa pala. Ayoko ng 9:30 na lunch. Try ko talaga magpakiusap doon sa TL ko. Baka naman kahit 3 hours ako mag-calls sa umaga, basta wag lang akong 9:30 magla-lunch. Takte, 400 na Eater's Souls na yung naano ko. Depende rin kasi sa slot yun eh. I know! Pero ba't kasi naka ano na ako nun eh. Naka 10 o'clock na ako, ginawa pang 9:45. Malala pa doon, 9:45 to 9:30. Pababa ng pababa, Diyos ko. Takte kung gano'n, magpapa-term lunch na lang ako, visit. Parang ganun lang din. Burger. I wanna know what love is. I want you to show me. Please, parang awa yun na. Bigyan nyo na ako yung yung leggings. Tangina, pang ilang burger na to. Pang-apat na. Hello, Cairo Place. Welcome back. Oh. Oh, matutulog ako sa lunch ko mamaya. Charge ko pa pala phone ko later. Gamit ko kasi yung yung cord ko sa pang mic ko. Saan Discord ko? Ayun. And I wanna know what love is. Hello, you can have Shima. Welcome. Hey, version of live, you can how are you? How's your afternoon? I hope you're doing good. Feel ko stuck yung dalawang yun. Charot, hindi pala. Asan yung dalawa? Sa baba? Ayun yung isa. Want you to show me. Okay lang, kakauwi ko lang. From school? I'll go take some rest na. If that's the case. Ay, Kali, are you still there? Office. Okay, okay. Well, even still, pahinga ka pa rin. Sana nagpuntahan yung mga Eater of Souls. Yeah, I'm still here playing my dailies. Okay, okay. Naulan sa inyo? Or like malilim? I have used my background music. Ay, wow. Which is funny kasi I have background music as well. Not you can show me. Ako lim-lim, lakas ng hangin. Oh, okay, okay. Ahem. May replyan lang din ako visit. Ahem. Ahem. Abigail, do your thing. Wait lang, may replyan lang ako. Hello, Sai Ars Shim ako. Good afternoon. Oh. Oh. 450th. Ba't parang hindi na ba't parang wala na akong nakukuhang like any armor. Parang mas lalo nakakakaba yun Ba't parang umuunti din yung mga enemies? Did you see? I'll be waiting for you here inside my heart. I'm the one who wants to love you more. So ganito na lang ba talaga gagawin ko? Magpa 5 o'clock na Baka naman. All the pains of your heart needs to know. I'm the one who wants to love you more. Very sure. So, may kausap din ako sa messenger ngayon. Hello, Kel Dion PvP. Baka doon stream ako. Believe me. Baka naman, leggings na lang kailangan ko. Waiting for you here inside my heart. I'm the one who wants to love you more. Ano kaya dito sa lalim? Walay. Okay, give me back my money. Hello, Cap. Ako rin siya welcome. 500 na Eaters of Souls na. Lord, baka naman. Hello, Tali. Ako rin siya welcome. Wait lang. I keep forgetting yun dun pag nag-double dash ako dun sa ano, sa Shield of Cthulhu Biset. Abigail! Meteorite? I think I saw a meteorite on the background. Or guni-guni ko lang yun. Hello, Yasha. Wakurushima. Welcome. Good afternoon. Sabi ko sana good morning, Diyos ko. Nasanay na din sa morning streams eh. Good morning din sinasabi ko eh kahit hapon na. Ako ba nasanay ako? Kung lumakas yung ulan mamaya, magpapalate ako. Hehe. Pagdating ko, lunchtime ko na, Diyos ko. Kung malakas lang yung ulan. Uy, wag. I mean, kung malakas yung ulan na magagawa ko kung ano. Is either mababasa ako or hindi. Dress down ako kami till bukas eh, so magka-crocs na lang ako. Hello Ken, Wakarushima, welcome. Good afternoon, kamusta? Thank you for liking the live, thank you. And thank you for sharing the live as well. Kamusta? Hello, the press bot kid. Wakadushi, welcome. Malapit na mag 5 o'clock. Diyos ko, Lord. Papasok na ba talaga ako? Hello, Hexagon. Wakadushi, welcome. And ka na stream ng 5? Yes, so... I never ask for too much. Never do that you do. I don't really need to look very much further. I don't wanna have to go where you don't follow. I go back again. There's nothing inside. Can't run from myself. There's nowhere to hide. Ngayon, isa na lang talaga ang kailangan ko. Hindi pa binibigay sa akin. Ang galing. Gara talaga ng ng swerte ko, no? Must I imagine you there? Hello, Eka. Wakarushi. Welcome. Good afternoon. How are you? I hope you're doing good. Nothing. Nothing. If I don't have you. And now Wakarushi as well. Welcome. You see through right to the heart of me. You break down my walls and everything of your love. Oh, I never knew of it right now with you. I love memories survive. Hello, Eric. Wakadushi. Welcome. Lakas mo mga water candle, visit. Naabutan ako ng nung Dungeon Guardian. Your love I remember forever. One more. I don't wanna hurt. Pang ilang burger ka na to? That's the 5 burger. O tama, pang 5 nga. Hello Eka, welcome back to the stream. Hello Yuri, welcome to the stream as well. And, si Bam pala to. Hello, hello. Kamusta? How are you? How's your morning? I hope you're doing good. Morning, afternoon. I hope you're doing good. Visit. Morning? No. Tapos na ba OJT niya? Nagtatrabaho na talaga ako. I've been working since what? June. So yes, tapos na ko, OJT ko. Since April, actually. I'm missing out. Congrats. No problem. I finished OJT in March. Tapos I graduated at May. Tapos I got the job last day ng May. Diyos ko, ang plano ko sana, Eater of Worlds, hindi King Slime. Pero sige, since nandito na tayo. Might as well. Say my name, say my name. Say my name, say my name. Say my name, say my name. Start a game. Baka sakaling makuha ko din yung ano, yung shadow leggings. Baka naman. Let's go. Dito ko na lang i-fight yung ano, yung Slime King. Lagyan ko na lang ng ganito. Say my name, say my name. Say my name, say my name. Start a sudden game. Say my name, say my name. Say my name, say my name. Sudden game. Ahem. Oh, oh. I'm sleepy. Let's go. Oras na. Hindi ko makita kung anong oras na. $4:59. I think sakto na mag ano. Tama lang din yung oras. Since most likely, malapit na magpakita si King Slime. Ay, ay. Ay, 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 ay. Tagal na ba mag-spawn ng King Slime? Say my name, say my name. Say my name, say my name. Say my name, say my name. Ay, ay. Ay, kung ano yung banner nila dito. King Slime, ang tagal mo. Diyos ko. Naliligo na ako, uy. Hello, Chu. Ako na siya welcome. 2 o'clock na, wala pa rin yung King Slime visit. Yeah, 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 yeah. Just a little chance. Just believe it. Us to believe it. Love, love can move mountains. Believe in your heart and feel that there is all that love. Ayun na. Ayun. Ay, shit! Ah, fuck. Ah, putang ina mo. 20 gold. I really need to counter rate. Ang inang baba na ng health noon, visit. Yung gold ka! Awit. Naulan pa rin ng slime. Yung gold ko, that was 20 gold. Ay shit, hindi pala ako naka-ano. I'm strong enough to find a way, yeah, 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 yeah. Okay, give me back my gold. Pinagdanakaw na naman nila yung gold ko, visit. Ah, yung leggings, wala pa rin sa akin. Okay, hindi ako sorted this ano ah. Well, actually, sinabate ako kasi nakuha ko yung dalawang ano. Yung dalawang shadow scale, but still. Ah, tapusin ko lang na itong slime nila to, but hindi pa ba tumitigil to? Di ba to titigil hanggat ba defeat ko yung ano? Yung King Slime or hanggang maggabi? 658 na Eater Souls. Ang galing. Yun lang ata yung natupag ko this, ano, this stream eh. Mag-farm ng ano, Eater Souls eh. Okay, unti na lang to. I think pagka 7:30, magsa-stop na yung ano, yung slime rain. I think. No? It's still not stopping? Burger. Ano, may round 2 pa para sa ano? Sa King Slime? All the love in the world. Pansin ko, di pala ako masyado nakipag-fight sa mga zombies, no? I wanna wake up alone anymore. There's no one to walk to that dawn. All I need is to know it's for sure that I feel all the love in the world. Hello Ray, welcome to stream ako. Welcome. Good afternoon. Eh, pa rin ba titigil yung time rin? Yun na lang hinihintay ko matapos eh. Tapos alis na ako. Makapag-round 2 pa ba ako sa King Slime? Maybe? Question mark? All the love in the world. Lord, please save me from this suffering. Lang ayoko sa ano eh, sa HSR tuloy. Sa Terraria, yung pag-grind. 5 na sa... I know. Hindi pa lang matapos-tapos dito. Hintay ko lang matapos yung slime rain ulit. Another burger! Gusto pang ilang burr. Just give me what I want, Putex. When you believe, you will when you believe. Ay, Lord. So, wali tumigil lang din yung slime raid. Hindi parang wala lang din. Finally! I got it! Kali! Oh my gosh! Diba, saktong pagtapos ng slime rain, kung kailan mag-end-stream na ako, doon na dumating yung ano, yung Shadow Greaves. Nice. Pinag-suffer muna ako. Literal na dumaan ka muna sa ano, sa mga karumal-dumal na pangyayari before ka makakuha ng ano, ng gusto mo. Lord have mercy. Bukas ako mag-ano, magdi-defeat ng tawag nun, no Eat of Worlds. Congrats, literally. Asan yung ano? Where is the armor? Ito ba nilagay yun? Hindi, nasa piggy bank. Yay! I got it! 23? 24. Mas marami pa palang defense pag naka-platinum ako. Granted, 15 critical strike chance tapos increase speed and acceleration. Okay na din. Good movement. Okay, guys. So, natupag ko yung somewhat agenda ko for today. So, yeah. Thank you so much, guys, sa pagtambay. I'll try streaming tomorrow pag uwi ko. If not, edi hindi. Ibig sabihin, tinamad ako or what. Or natulog ako. So, yeah. Thank you to everyone who liked, everyone who shared, everyone who followed, and everyone who gifted. Thank you so much. I appreciate all of your support. I hope all of you have a good, evening na talaga. So, I hope all of you have a good evening, a good dinner, and a great day tomorrow, okay? Bye-bye, everyone. Bye-bye.